cryptocurrency trading and investment. Yes, we can all see what is going on in the market right now. That we saw what you need to do regarding all these assets you're seeing. So you need to stick around to know if you need to sell or you still need to hold on to your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Sui, Solana, and all those names that are concerned when it comes to cryptocurrency. Also, we're going to be taking a look at some good news, some a little bit bad news, and also we're going to be checking the market cap like we always do daily, and the economic calendar to know what is going on in the market today. We're also going to check the fear and greed index to know what the sentiments are in the market. These are more what you're going to be getting on the show today. And you know, this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show where we trade it and we do not gamble it. I remain my humble self, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please support your boy. Subscribe right here, like and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get all the content I'll be dropping for you every day. Also, you can follow me on X to get latest news on cryptocurrency, also on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. You can follow me on all social media. The handles still remain the same, crypto being 101. That's the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. All right, what's going on today in the market? First of all, like I normally do, share some news with you before we check other things in the market. The first news that caught my attention, I need to tell you guys, is now that the market is so volatile. There's a lot of things coming in. There's a lot of volume in the market. Scammers are out there, and you need to be careful. And what did I get? Now there is a fake BlackRock token, a fake BlackRock token. So you guys need to be careful out there. BlackRock doesn't have any token right now. We know BlackRock, they have the largest asset under management. You understand? They're the biggest investment company in the whole world. You understand? So they do not have any token. This is fake. Please make sure you're very careful there. Fake BlackRock token is circulating and you don't want to be part of it. So that's one of the news. Another great news that I'm not going to move on before I now slide into some news that might want to scare us a little bit is El Salvador. We all know they are keen on BTC, and now they plan to ease Bitcoin acceptance requirement to unlock 3 billion in loan from IMF. And you know, what does that mean? That is bullish for cryptocurrency. That is bullish for Bitcoin, which is the king of cryptocurrency. And you can see right here that El Salvador to weaken Bitcoin law to help secure IMF funding. And that's the report we got. Talking about BTC also, we got another news here. BTC and Ethereum ETF add billions amid record week. Bitcoin and ETH add ETFs billions amid record week. Also, we have another news regarding that. Total crypto liquidation climbed to 1.5 billion after Bitcoin dips to 95,000. And right now you can see Bitcoin is trading at 97,000. Even last week we saw Bitcoin dipping down to 90k, then recover back to 100k, and now still moving around. Now let's go to some altcoin news, and this is going to be talking about XRP. XRP plunges 12% as crypto market loses $1 trillion. I told you guys, if you watched my video yesterday, I told you when the fear and greed index, that's the sentiment in the market, whenever it is extreme greed, know that we're going to be seeing a lot of flash crash, volatility, and that's when you need to be very careful, because if you're not, it will lead to you making some irrational decisions and you might end up losing some of your token or losing the value of the token you've been holding for so long. So you need to be careful. And if you remember last week, I told you, please sell XRP because XRP is now a sell. But don't worry, we're going to take a look at the chart shortly, and I'm still going to tell you if you need to get back into XRP or you need to stay away from it. And not only XRP, we have a lot of tokens, a lot of asset project to share with you on today's episode of the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble. All right, let's take a look at another altcoin, and that is Dogecoin. We saw what Dogecoin did 3 weeks ago. We saw what XRP did last week, and we saw what Solana did like a month ago. So it's been moving from one project to another. And right now you can see Dogecoin, XRP, and Solana slide as Bitcoin price falls below 97,000. We're still going to take a look at all these altcoins to see if you need to close your trade, if you're still in it. And if you're out of the trade, you need to know if you need to get back into the market. That we're going to talk about when we get to the charts segment. Now we have another great news coming from the big companies around the world. Amazon urged to buy Bitcoin as Microsoft shareholders consider Bitcoin proposal. You know, I told you last week that Michael Saylor urges Microsoft to buy Bitcoin, and I think yesterday we saw Amazon shareholders urging Amazon to please add at least 5% to their portfolio in Bitcoin. And now we can now see Amazon urged to buy Bitcoin as Microsoft shareholders consider Bitcoin proposal. So you can see all these big firms are now coming into it. So it's just a matter of time they'll start accepting BTC as a mode of payment. And what does that mean? Bullish. Also, we're going to see El Salvador get the loan because they want to weaken and all those policies and all of that to make cryptocurrency or BTC acceptable in El Salvador. What does that mean too? Bullish. We saw Michael Saylor keep buying BTC every day. Yesterday added billions of dollars to its portfolio again. What does that mean? Bullish. So there is a lot of fundamental signals for us to know that BTC is going to skyrocket. And you know, one BTC move, others follow. So cryptocurrency market cap that I've been telling you we're going to celebrate 4 trillion US dollar is about to happen. But we're going to take a look at the market cap shortly to discuss about that as well. Let's take one more 2 news before we now dive into the economic calendar and the market cap, before we now look at the chart, which is some of you guys' favorite section to know if you need to sell your asset you're holding in your portfolio, or you still need to hold on to it so tight. As we all know, crypto is the future. All right, let's check another news out right here. Baby Doge and Nero meme coin surge as Bitcoin dog token hits all-time high. You know, talking about meme coins, I told you, I think I checked Nero yesterday. I told you guys, please just stay out of it because the movement was not really good. But dogs, I think I told you if it was to buy or to sell. We're going to see it on the chart shortly. You understand? But now the coin surge as Bitcoin dog token hit all-time high. Now let's take a look at one more news, which is big companies coming into cryptocurrency, coming into the game. It's just a matter of time they will start accepting BTC as a mode of payment, and the adoption is going to grow wider. When that happens, more money is going to come into the cryptocurrency. And if you're a holder or you're a trader and you're a supporter of cryptocurrency, definitely we are going to make it. So that's that on the news today. First Indian public company buys Bitcoin. That's great news. So from India to now they're coming in. We know South Korea, they're participating in it. Now India is joining. Russia, the president already said no one can ban Bitcoin. So maybe they're going to be using Bitcoin as well. We have the first pro cryptocurrency president, which is talking about the president-elect Donald Trump, which has now been electing some pro-cryptocurrency into one of the important positions in the financial sector in the United States. So this is the time you need to come on the bandwagon and make sure you do the right thing. But remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research, and also make sure you trade or you invest with the money you can afford to lose, because cryptocurrency is so much volatile. You can be emotional, you can buy now, want to sell, and all of that, and you get confused. But I guarantee you, if you stick to my show and watch my show daily, you will be guided on what to do. And that's why this is for educational purpose and entertainment. We are not financial advisor in any way. All right, now that is that on the news. Let's get to the economic calendar to see what is going on in the market today. And you can see today we have AUD, that is Australian dollar cash rate, has dropped. It's not better than expected. And also we're expecting another news to come from CNY, also from Europe, US, and all of that, but those are not important. You understand? So today might just be like yesterday. No important news. The market might just be going up and down, doing the same rally around that 97 to 100, 97 to 100. Then we're going to break up or we're going to break down. But don't go anywhere. I am going to analyze the chart with you, and you're going to see what you need to expect from the market. So talking about the economic calendar, talking about the fundamental news, nothing much is really happening today. So we're going to check what will happen tomorrow. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please like and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get all this juicy information when I drop it for you. All right, now let's take a look at the cryptocurrency market cap. Now, when you look at the cryptocurrency market, first of all, Pepe is trending. Pepe is one of the meme coin I always talk about on my show. So Pepe is trending. We saw Nero and Dogs doing the most. We're going to take a look at those meme coins when we get to the chart section, so you don't want to go anywhere. Now from 3.8, my 4 trillion market cap is now down to 3.6. But do we need to panic? No. We do not need to panic. Yes, why we don't need to panic is it is normal to seek correction in the market. It is normal. It is very, very normal to seek correction in the market. So we were at 3.8 trillion. Now we're back to 3.6 trillion. I bet you 4 trillion is knocking on our door. And very soon we're going to have cryptocurrency market cap of 4 trillion. But as of today, cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at 3.6 trillion US dollars, and you can see BTC still remain the number one, the dominance, which is sitting at number 1. We have Ethereum at number 2. We have Theta at number 3. XRP at number 4. We have Solana at number 5. We have BNB at number 6. Dogecoin at number 7. USD, which is a stable coin as well, at number 8. Lido Stake at number 9. Cardano at number 10. Tron at number 11. Avalanche at number 12. Shiba Inu, another meme coin, at number 13. We have Wrap ETH at number 14. Toncoin is now at number 16. Chainlink 15. Toncoin at number 15. Chainlink 16. And we can see the list goes on to 100, 200. You might want to do yourself a favor to check the list out on CoinGecko if you really want to know your top 100 or top 200 cryptocurrency market cap according to the ranking. So that's that on the market cap. The market cap today is sitting at 3.6 trillion US dollars. All right, that's that. Let's now dive into the major thing we need to know, which is the chart. And I always tell you guys, the chart is my fortune teller, because the chart is one going to tell me, please get out of the market. Okay, it's time to get back into the market. Okay, it's time to close your profit. No, it's time to take some loss and just relax and get back into the market again. And that's what I'm about to do right now. And please, before we do that, if you've not subscribed to this channel, you're still watching till now, thank you so much. Thumbs up to you guys. Please subscribe to the channel. It's Crypto 101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency, trading, and investment. All right, let's dive into the chart quickly. We saw yesterday, I pulled the stop loss right here where I said if we break below this zone, that's where we need to get out of the market. But when you look at what happened here, if you look at BTC, before we can actually say BTC is going to sell off totally, we must break inside the major structure. You understand? It's happening inside the major structure. So until we break below the major structure, that's when I can tell you BTC is going to crash. So all this thing we're seeing is just a healthy correction. We might see BTC move above this 98,000 later today and continue to just move around the zone. So I would say if you want to use the lower time frame to get into, but which is not advisable for spot trader or for investors who are holding on to crypto, because if you're using this now, it's like you're doing derivatives or margin trading. So I would say you can still hold on to your BTC until we break below 90,000. Yes, we saw a movement that creates a kind of early entry for sell here. This is an early entry for sell here if you are using my strategy, because we already have the market calm down, push up like this, then it's coming to break here, if you understand what I'm saying. So it's coming to break here. This is early entry here, but you can see when we broke below it, we didn't hold on with the body. We touch it, then it was reversed back. So this could continue shooting up back, and you can remember this is a flat candle right there. So I would say hold on to your BTC. Do not sell your BTC now. I will even advise you can sell your BTC if you break it. If you don't want to wait for 90k, if you now break this daily candle here, which is 93,700, I can even now say yes, you can get out of that. But for right now, please hold on to your BTC. And if you're not in the market yet, you can hold on and see if we're going to break above 98,000, then you can get back into the market. But if you're still in the market, please hold on to your BTC. Do not sell now, except we break 93k. Let's check ETH out. Ethereum right now is now a sell. If you remember yesterday, I told you ETH is a sell. You can see I told you ETH is a sell, and it dipped down to almost 3,004. So do you need to buy ETH back now? No. ETH is not yet a buy. It's not a buy, it's a sell. Stay out of the market. Don't buy ETH yet. Let's see what today's candle will be like. Then probably maybe tomorrow we can have the one that will grow above it. Then we can get into it. But right now, please stay out of ETH. Now let's check another altcoin. Let's check another altcoin, which is AAVE. AAVE is a sell. AAVE is a sell. You can see yesterday I pulled what? I pulled the red candle there yesterday. So AAVE is a sell. Do you need to buy AAVE right now? No. Please do not buy yet. AAVE is a sell. I told you need to get out of it yesterday. You can see the red candle. It's still showing there. It's not that I just put it. You can see it's been there. So that means all my predictions, they have been correct. AAVE is still a sell. Please do not buy AAVE yet. Now let's check Solana. Solana, I told you it was a sell. You can see Solana is still a sell. Do you need to buy Solana now? Hell no. We're going to wait to see where we're going to buy Solana. You can see Solana is still a sell, and I told you yesterday, please, Solana is still a sell. Let's check XRP. XRP yesterday, I told you XRP is a sell. You can see I put the red candle there. Anytime you see the red candle, that is where I ask you to sell. And XRP is still a sell. Please do not buy XRP now. XRP is still a sell. All right, let's take a look at one more altcoin again before we move to meme coins. Shiba Inu, AVAX. I told you AVAX is a sell. AVAX is a sell. I told you yesterday. You can see the red candle there. I don't even need to argue with you guys or trying to, make myself a sin or something. Once you see the red candle, that shows that was where I told you previously that it is a sell. So do you need to buy now? No, it's not a buy yet. Do you need to buy AAVER? AVAX now? No. AVAX is not a buyer. So comment down in the comment section to let me know other altcoin you want me to analyze or to take a look at it for you, and I'll do that and analyze the market for you. Now let's go into meme coins, and we are going to start with dogs. We saw dogs and Nero went to the moon, and yesterday I told you about dogs. That dogs was still a buy until if it break 0.007, that's when you need to get out of the market, and it hit that point. So I expect you to stay out of the market. So do you need to buy dogs now? No, you do not need to buy dogs now. Dogs is still a sell. Let's go to Nero. Nero yesterday, I told you, if you remember, I even told you stay out of Nero. Do not buy Nero at all. If you remember, I told you, and you see what happened to the market. It plunges so much. I told you, please do not buy Nero, because I do not understand this movement. It's just like they are kicking people out, just put people in, and it doesn't make any sense. So I told you, please stay out of Nero yesterday, if you remember. Now let's check Pepe. Let's check Pepe out. I told you yesterday that Pepe is going to be a sell if we break this zone, and it has now hit our sell. So Pepe now is a sell because it has hit. No, you do not need to buy Pepe now. So tomorrow is going to be interesting, guys, because today's candle might determine if we're going to get a buy tomorrow. So stay out of all the coins. I tell you, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purpose, but with my experience in the game, that's why I know if it is a buy or a sell. And if you check out my prediction on my previous shows, you know we've been more than 90% correct. So Pepe, please stay out of Pepe too. Let's check another another meme coin. Let's check Notcoin out. You can see Notcoin is a sell. I even put it there. You can see it. I put it there. Notcoin is a sell, and you can see it's still dipping. So please, you don't need to buy Notcoin now. Let's check Dogecoin. Let's take Dogecoin. You see, I put the red there too. That Dogecoin, when it breaks 0.0, this you need to get out of the market. So definitely I've been right with all the predictions. So I think I deserve to hit my hands together for myself, because this is not easy, but it's years of experience and what I know. And if you want to trade options, derivatives, and other like futures, please, I'm not giving signals for futures and all of that. I give signals for spot trading alone on this show, because before you watch the video, if you're doing derivative, the market might have moved and all of that, but with spot trading you can still buy if the stop loss is too far and all of that. So all what the prediction I'm giving you is for people that buy and hold, for investors, for spot traders. If you want to learn how to trade derivative futures and all of that, links to my Discord are down. Link to my Discord is down in my description. Link to my Telegram is there. It's all free, where I give hourly, 4 hourly, 2 hourly of what you need to trade, and that you always take the trade directly. But for this is for spot traders, people that buy and hold. So right now, all the coin I told you, please don't buy, get out of them. Dogecoin is a buy is a sell right now. It's not a buy. So basically, all of them are selling off right now. They are not a buy. Let me see Solana. I didn't check Solana. You see, Solana is still a sell. I think I checked it. Solana is still a sell. Let's check Shiba Inu, another meme coin. Shiba Inu is still a sell. You can see Shiba Inu is still a sell. So I think tomorrow is going to be very interesting, because we're going to see how today's candle finish to know if we're going to buy all this coin back. But right now, all these things I've told you, they are sell. Some are sell. You don't need to buy. You don't need to do anything. Just relax. Keep your profit you've made from what you enter since. We're going to get another entry, then we're going to enter. But if you want to trade, buy and sell like derivative futures and all of that, join my Telegram. You see Instacash trading community. It's free of charge. You can watch my trade lives, you can get signal live, and you make money for yourself. But you need to understand trading is very risky, and this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. All right, that's that on the chart analysis. If you have any other token or any asset you want me to analyze, please comment it down in the comment section and I'll take a look at it, analyze it for you, and let you know if you need to buy and hold or you need to let go and buy later. So that's that on the charts today. Let's take a look at the sentiment out of the cryptocurrency. And the sentiment for today is extreme greed. We are still sitting on extreme greed, guys. Extreme greed now, extreme month, and it's extreme greed right now at 78. So we might still be seeing a lot of volatility and the correction might continue in the market. So please be careful. Like I told you, stay out of the market right now because most of all the altcoins, they've hit where you need to sell all your asset and wait, and we're going to see if we need to buy it back. But when it comes to crypto, derivative futures and all of that, you can take a short, but the analysis is not on this show. Join my Telegram channel. It's free of charge, and I am going to be giving you signals for that free of charge. You don't pay me any dime because I make my own money trading as well. All right, that's what I have for you on the show today. If you've not subscribed to the channel, please do. It's CryptoBin101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. You can follow on Facebook, you can follow us on X, and you can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. All right, it's been great riding with you on the show today, and thank you for watching the show to the end, and kudos to you that stick around. My name still remain the same, Ahmed Oladimeji Kazim, aka KC the Great. And remember, this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Until I catch you tomorrow on another wonderful packed episode of the show, eat peace.